550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Collins County, clearance, November 530, Juliet Papa, over. With local weather. Collins clearance, November 530, Juliet Papa, over. Collins ground, November 530, Juliet Papa. I tried calling out 121.35 for clearance. Should I be calling ground?
Yes, sir, it would be me, sir. That other frequency is only used at night when we're closed. You ready to copy?
Affirmative, ready to copy. Juliet Papa.
Movie 530 Juliet Papa is cleared to the 7 Foxtrot Lima 6 airport via radar vectors. Join the Hubbard 8 departure. Equipment transition, then direct. On departure, fly runway heading and maintain 3,000. Expect 9,000 within 10 minutes. Departure control frequency 124.3, squawk 3421.
Hubbard 8 departure, expect radar vectors. Runway heading to 3,000. 124.3 and squawk 3421. Over.
Money, Juliet Papa, stand by. Okay, Mooney 0 Juliet Papa. It's going to be radar vectors to join the Hubbard 8 departure. Then equipment transition, direct destination. On departure, after departure, fly runway heading and climb and maintain 3,000. Expect 9,000 within 10 minutes. I think you got the departure control frequency and the squawk, alright.
Juliet Papa, radar vector. Departure. Say again, please. Sorry about that.
Okay, Hubbard 8 departure, then equipment transition, then direct destination. I can read that to you real quick if you need that. It's real simple.
Equipment departure.
Okay, now it's equipment transition. What's going to happen is you're going to get vectors off the airport to join the Maverick 084 radio to the Soldo intersection, where you will join equipment 261 radio to the equipment VOR, then your direct destination.
I'm sorry, I didn't expect that with the Hubbard 8 departure. I know it was vector solo, and then I thought it was uniform India Mike.
Mooney 0 Juliet Papa, what I just read you is the Hubbard 8 departure with equipment transition. Would you like me to go over it again?
Right now.
Okay. From off the airport, you'll get radar vectors to join the Maverick 084 radio to the Soldo intersection. Then the equipment 261 radio to the equipment VOR, then direct destination.
I'm looking for the equipment VOR. I didn't see that as part of the departure.
Okay, the equipment VOR frequency is 114.0.
I'm looking at my low altitude chart for that.
Okay.
I'm sorry, UIM. This is 530 Juliet Papa. 114.0 is UIM, which is equipment, and I was misunderstanding the word equipment.
Oh, okay.
November 530 Juliet Papa, over.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Okay, Hubbard 8 departure. Expect to pick up the radio 084 of the equipment VOR, the Solo.
No, that's not right. You're going to join the Maverick 084 radio. Maverick frequency is 113.1 to the Soldo intersection. At that point, you will join the equipment 261 radio to equipment.
0 Juliet Papa. runway heading. To 3000. Expect a Hubbard 8 departure, which is 084 degree radial off Maverick to the Solo intersection. And expect 10,000, correction, 09,000 in 10 minutes.
Winnie 0 Julie Papa, that's correct as far as it goes. Are you sure you have an understanding of this?
GPS and ready to follow the radar vectors.
Okay, and you've got the Squawkus 3421 and departure control frequency 124.3, all set up.
Affirmative, 124.3.
Okay, advise ready to taxi.
Papa. Oh, let's ground. Juliet Papa, is there any chance of taking off on 18?
Mooney 0 Julie Papa, stand by, I'll check. Mooney 0 Julie Papa, I'll check on that. For now, runway 18, taxi Alpha, Northland Alpha, turn right on Bravo 1. Winds are variable at 5, altimeter 3004.
Have the AWAS, Juliet Papa.
Mooney 0 Julie Papa, departing runway 18, you can expect different climb out instructions.
Vector system control on 124.3.
Yeah, but I'm going to give you the different departure instructions with your takeoff clearance when I find out what they are.
Bravo taxiway to Bravo 1. Juliet Papa.
Mooney 0 Julie Papa, that'll be fine there. Just go ahead and then turn left on Bravo, up to Bravo 1 for the runway.